The tunnel. السرداب. ارجع انا بقول
This is where the gold is.
حبيبي لا بشقلنا. That's not for us. Shit.
No, it's done what you hear.
It's not for us. It's not for tall guys. واي شو هذا؟ مش طبيعي ها؟ وليد راح يطلع بالفيلم. مش طلع.
دير بالك يعني مواطن كثير يعني.
لا هيك كثير والله كثير.
عليك يا عيسى.
افضح ولا ياهم اليوم. افضح ولا ياهم الكروسيدر.
دير بالك يا عيسى دمرت هيك.
قصة يخس طلع المثبت العطف بالفيديو. وبعدين بلاش حركات عاطلة ولا انتو يا إذا واحد ببعص شو ما كان خرق. أي لازم احط ميوزك انا بس اعرض الفيديو هذا لانه كله مثبت. حبيبي يا حبيبي يا حبيبي. لفينا الشقة الثانية.
ايش رهيب.
Take a seat.
We're not getting the live. Sorry? We're not getting.
What's the next year? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, are you all comfortable?
Yes.
It's a pity because you need to turn around. You need to turn around and take a look at the beautiful rendering, a 3D rendering of the church.
What?
In a moment it will restart and I'll explain what you see. Here it is. Guys, focus on what we see now. We are here. We're here.
Sorry.
This is the castle behind me, behind us. We are here in the ecclesia, in the church, but we're not on the first floor. We're at ground level. We are in the crypt. The crypt is the basement of the church. We're here at this level. In the upper level is the church itself. Right above us, nothing survived. It is a Romanesque style church, built like a basilica. I truly hate the animation here. They look like zombies. It's quite frightening. It's not a very good animation, I must admit. I mean, they had excellent animation regarding the architecture, but not the humans. Anyhow, we're now inside the church. That's the apse. All of that is above us. And this one is
What does it mean?
Are there monks or ninja? They'll transform into ninja. Somewhere.
So this is the altar where the candles are. Okay, seen that. Let's go, quick.
Opa.
Thanks.
Cuidado, muchacho. No te caigas.
Here we go.
It's a cool night.
No, it's yeah.
This one's
That'd be too much.
Huh? No, you're going to see the channel, the water channels and
Eiyal, what's this menorah stamp? Anything?
the breakstick.
There's like a stamp with a menorah engraved.
ايش في؟ خفيف.
let's wait for a second for everyone to join us.
Fresh air.
There's another one over there if you need.
Here's this thing. Do you see this in the case?
Yeah, I don't think it's from.
Eiyal,
It's not from Akko.
what did you say about
They have
that?
some artifacts here that are not from Akko. They just represent the period in general.
Yeah. About the use of the tunnel we just passed.
In a moment,
Okay.
I'm going to say.
Is it?
Can you feel the breeze?
Yeah.
It's right behind me. Oh, it's so good. Someone's black. Okay, a word. Sorry, I can't hear you. You were saying what? Locking something. So, ladies and gentlemen, we were walking through a tunnel, an underground tunnel built by man. It's part of the sewers, but in addition, we have found its outlet at the moat. Apart from being a sewer, it's also an emergency exit leading out into the moat. We also saw that at Belvoir. Remember? I think it was at the end of the tour. Yes, we were looking back and we were looking down. You could see the exits. Okay, so that's also, how do we call, what is the name of such a system that leads out into the moat?
Emergency exit. Something like that.
Emergency exit.
An emergency exit. Very good. Okay, we'll suffice for that. Okay.
What is it called?
Emergency exit. What did you think? Anyone? No. Try to think about it, guys. This is a serious question. What is the name of the system that leads you out of the emergency exit? No, vomitorium is in the theater. You'll have time during lunch. I don't want you to thoroughly enjoy your food, so you have to think about it and come back to me with an answer.
Okay.
You have it, you already have it. You just need to pick it up. We're going out, and firstly, I'll take you to the restrooms. Then, after the restrooms, we'll go outside the compound to the market. Then I'll set time and place, and we'll go to have something to eat.
Yeah.